Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time at Casita Center, Casita Elementary for Technology, Science, and Math here in Vista, California. And it was a beautiful afternoon. I got to talk to the AM/PM program students and staff. And the focus on today's assembly was on bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first, right? That you not only choose to see someone else for their heart first, but you really know that even your own self, we have to be able to see our own worth and our own value. So a big part that I push through every presentation of mine, and a lot of students ask me to trace theirs, is the M, etched on all of our palms with the lines on our hand. We have the letter M, like the shirt says here, M for miracle, on the back side, upside down, W for worthy. This is a reminder that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And once we believe that we are good enough, we go out into this world and start to be that light to other people's hearts, help them believe that too. And so through a lot of different stories and music and examples, videos, I was able to really push and reinforce these themes of kindness and compassion and respect and of empathy. And to hear that they really stand for a lot of those principles here at Casita really warmed my heart, because these students are making a difference at such a young age. And I talk about how hurt people, but that we can always choose to become healed people who heal people, to let that light and kindness fully enter our heart, to heal it to the point that now we can go share that kindness that was given to us and shown to us by helping someone else, and just really choose to stand up, to really choose love. And this being the day after Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, that the whole idea is that he decided to stick with love, because hate is too great of a burden to bear on our shoulders and in our hearts. We don't have any more time for that, and that darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate. Only love can do that. So again, much love. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, keep sharing your hearts, keep shining your light, keep knowing that you guys are beautiful miracles and that you guys touch my heart. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you see pop up on the screen here. Hit the notification bell to get future updates on videos like these. Check out the other amazing playlists too, you'll see with some clips here, and my website link to track my journey across this country as we continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.